Breaking news, the sounds of tsunami sirens ringing out in Honolulu just really a short time ago. A co-worker of ours here at KDKA actually shot this video while she's on vacation in Hawaii. They were told to shelter in place. An 8.8 magnitude earthquake hit off of Russia's coast last night.
One of the strongest quakes ever recorded and the highest magnitude in nearly 15 years. The quake triggered multiple tsunami alerts, putting millions in the path of danger. New video coming in moments ago showing the quake doing damage in Russia's far east. Now, this was a kindergarten. There are reports that no children were inside at the time, thank goodness.
All right, now let's bring in Erica Moke to get more on this.
Yeah, she's joining us live now in the studio to show us the ripple effect this weather event is having on people in its path. Just incredible, Erica.
Really incredible, you guys. Good morning to you. Good morning to all of you at home. Yeah, I want to get right to this map and kind of give you an idea of the geography of all of this. We'll pull it up for you. Now, the quake struck off Russia's remote east coast, as you guys mentioned. That is what is circled in yellow there. Then that triggered those tsunami waves all across the Pacific and toward the U.S. Now, Hawaii is already being hit by those waves, and warnings and advisories are in effect for California and the rest of the U.S. West Coast. Scientists, though, are comparing the force and speed of a tsunami to a jet plane.
The traveling speed of a tsunami pretty much is controlled by the water depths of the ocean, which we say bathymetry, and they travel around like 700 kilometers per hour, which is like jet plane. And it's usually very small in the deep ocean. It's pretty quiet in the deep ocean, but once the tsunami wave reach the shallow water, and then the energy release will be in the forms of wave height, and the water will pile up and cause severe damage along the coastline.
Now, it is too early to say how damaging the waves may have been. We're waiting for the sun to rise to really get a better idea, but initial impacts we're hearing have been minimal. However, people in Hawaii have not been taking any chances. This is time-lapse video from downtown Honolulu showing the people there fleeing to higher ground. You can see all of that traffic. We did see water starting to spill onto roads and into parking lots, so there is some flooding, but for the most part, at this point, that's the biggest issue that people there have been seeing, which is good news. But of course, we're going to keep monitoring this situation for you from that video perspective and also from a scientific standpoint. But Ron, really, to put into perspective how large this earthquake was and then the ripple effects, it was felt 5,000 miles away, actually, in our area.
Right, yeah. Ray Petland was right on this yesterday. Yeah. University of Pitt, the seismographs that were there, they actually have two. And so one of those did feel the impact, the sensitivity of those.
We couldn't feel it, right?
We could not feel it, but that seismograph was able to show it. Here's how, just to speak about, this was the strongest earthquake we've seen since 2011 in Japan. That was a 9.0. This one, at least right now, 8.8. That Japan storm, and you're taking a look right now, you can see the tsunami advisories for parts of Hawaii there. It sped up our days, so our days are actually 1.8 milliseconds shorter, and it tilted the Earth's axis also by around 17 centimeters for the earthquake. That was what, 12, 13 years ago, 14 years ago that happened. So yeah, this is going to be an earthquake. I think that over the next couple of days, we're going to see the full impact right there.